Hi guys, this is Twins. Welcome back to our channel. So you know 30 days 30 videos में हमने काफ़ी सारी videos बनाएंगे जो short films थी and comedy sketches थे. So we thought why not make a video which is just a sit and chill, you know, talk type videos. Because we think that personal videos ही होनी चाहिए channel पे.
Yeah, I mean these videos are fun to watch and so we are doing a Q&A and obviously we asked on Instagram community and all of that.
We got a lot of questions actually, surprisingly. We got about 45 questions on our Instagram and 15 questions at community tab pe aaya, which is again a lot of questions. So we are answering a few. We are trying to keep this Q&A as fun and as different as possible. So let's just get into the questions.
Yes, so first question is by Raghvini Verma. Hi, first of all, how real are you in your videos?
So honestly, we are quite real in our videos. Like we are just a little. If you meet us in real life, you'll just be a little awkward because हम कैमरा के सामने ज़्यादा confident feel करते हैं. We are confident in real life too, but कैमरा के सामने ना कुछ अलग हो जाता है. Like,
Yeah, I mean हम थोड़े awkward होंगे, but again, I think we are the same people.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is by Ruchita Bendale. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. Hi. So what are the problems you face
As twins.
So honestly, being twins is fun and sometimes irritating and annoying both because when you walk on the roads and when you're wearing the same clothes, people stare at you like.
It just happened right now, you know, when we were walking down. Actually, Shivi मेरे आगे चल रही थी, मैं उसके पीछे चल रही थी. There was this lady. She was just smiling and she just was talking to her friend. क्या कि दोनों same लग रहे हैं. And I was like, yeah. Then she just turned around and, are you guys twins? I'm like, yes. Oh, okay. This is something that happens to us on an everyday basis, which is fun. Moving on, most challenging thing about doing 30 days, 30 videos. This question is by Shanaya Kher.
Hi Shanaya, thank you for asking this question. Firstly, okay, so the most challenging thing is firstly just finding the ideas, you know. क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि when you're doing 30-day challenge, you should also produce videos that are good to watch.
Yeah.
आप सारी ऐसे you know, you cannot just make anything for the sake of it. तो फिर ideas ढूंढना is difficult and then obviously shooting and editing them on time.
I think for our perspective and for our channel, it also comes with variety of content. Like we also want to do short films, we also want to do comedy and all of that. We don't have a niche, right? So it comes with that also. But I feel like the challenge is that the video should be uploaded on time. Any fan encounters, would love to meet you guys. Love from Gujarat.
That is so
Hi,
sweet.
Rocky.
That is really sweet. So okay, let me tell you.
We would love to meet you too first of all.
हाँ, तो हम I think the one that comes, we have met like our viewers 3 times. One was when we were actually shooting a video. The second time was जब हमें Delhi में we kept this meetup and 3 people came, which was very sweet. And third time, so we were at this McDonald's near our college, and you know, this lady came up to us and she was like, you know,
she was a manager of the McDonald's and she came up to us like, and she was like, oh my god, you know what guys, I used to follow you on Instagram and I've even subscribed to your channel.
but I don't use Instagram anymore. So.
But I still watch your videos. I'm like, oh my god, that's so sweet. And we were so awkward at that moment. क्योंकि क्या होता है कभी-कभी usually अगर हमारे साथ हमारे दोस्त है तो awkwardness थोड़ी कम हो जाती है.
उस वक्त हम अकेले थे.
We just didn't know what to reply. Thank you so much.
But it was really fun. So the next question is by Sharmeen. Hi, how do you deal with setbacks? Now honestly, we do have a lot of setbacks, but we like obviously you know, we have been doing this YouTube for 3.5 years and 4,500 subscribers in 3.5 years is nothing. Like I've seen people reach millions in this time, but the only thing that has kept us motivated is you know, 2 things. Firstly, support of you guys and our family and our friends.
Exactly.
Also, I mean, the fact that we are, you know, we both are there for each other to, you know, motivate. And secondly, the fact that we love what we are doing. So, yeah, I think you just need to remind yourself कि जो आप कर रहे हो शायद सही कर रहे हो.
I think, and also the fact that we have seen people reach millions, but also I would like to point out that the support and the love that we get from you guys is just, I think that is so precious because I haven't seen people get so many love and so less subscribers.
Yeah.
Which is the thing that we have. Next question is by Twinces fan page. Hi, how do you get over camera consciousness?
So honestly for us we've never been conscious in front of the camera क्योंकि हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ कि when we started our channel we were हमने 10th पास किया था अपना and we were big time introverts at that time. So when we actually started our channel people were shocked because we were not the way we were in front of people, In front of camera we were different, in front of people we were different. But the best thing to do while you're camera conscious is, and I know a lot of people that are camera conscious. So I think just practice, everything comes with practice, and if you're conscious in front of the camera you can just record snippets of yourself कि hi मैं ये हूँ मैं ये कर रही हूँ.
Yeah, I think
or
just
stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. क्योंकि वही कॉन्फिडेंस उसी से आएगा, राइट? बिकॉज कैमरा के सामने क्या है, आप अपने आप से ही तो बात कर रहे हो ना. सो इफ यू जस्ट टॉक टू योर सेल्फ एंड प्रैक्टिस इट माइट हेल्प.
Moving on, the next question is by Charvi Pal. I'm a big fan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm in love with your videos. My questions are, okay, first of all, thank you so much. You're so sweet. I see your comment on every video and that's so sweet. Who are your favorite music artists? So I love Taylor Swift. I think that's what everybody knows. But I also like A.R. Rahman, Amit Trivedi, and Preetham.
Yeah.
And
All the indie artists also, like Osho Jain, or like,
Local
Train.
Oh God. And your biggest fear?
I think just losing my loved ones is the biggest fear in my life.
Yeah, I think the same goes for me as well. Moving on, if you get to go in the past and change one thing, what would it be?
For me, honestly, I'm not a person who holds on to the past. मुझे लगता है कि हर किसी के लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ होता है जो वो चेंज करना चाहते हैं, बट मुझे रिग्रेट्स कभी होते ही नहीं है लाइफ में, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है जो बात हो गई वो हो गई, उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. सो आई ऑनेस्टली फील है, और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि जो भी होता है आपकी लाइफ में हैपन्स फॉर अ रीज़न एंड हैपन्स फॉर गुड, तो इट्स फाइन. आई वुडंट लाइक टू चेंज एनीथिंग.
I remember when I used to get like low marks in maths in 9th standard. I used to think यार मैं पहले जाके काश ज़्यादा पढ़ लेती और मुझे मार्क्स ज़्यादा आ जाते. That's a very small thing, I mean. But now I feel like everything is meant to happen, and मतलब like I always knew maths wasn't my thing.
I have never felt bad for getting bad marks.
I never felt bad, but I used to like यार काश थोड़ा और पढ़ लिया तो काश आ जाता है. But anyway, your hobbies?
I like to cook a lot actually. And I like to read also, but that's very rare. That's it.
I really like listening to music and like collecting
Diaries.
Oh my god, we have a huge diary collection, and now collecting records is also one thing that I think is turning into my hobby.
Yeah.
Next question is by Barun Sinha. Hi. Yes, absolutely enjoy to see your videos. So we are also twin sis. Oh, that's so cute.
Hello to you and your twin sister.
And this is my dad's phone. Oh,
That's so sweet.
Anyway, my question is, what is your height? हम बहुत गिट्टे हैं. We are so short. Like we have tried so hard कि हमारी height बढ़ जाए.
But we are just 5'1".
Yeah, we are just 5'1". What is your both favorite food?
I think I really like, let's firstly not talk about food because we are big time foodies, but chole bhature, chaap and momos. I mostly like Delhi ka khana.
Yeah.
And like dal makhni and naan, because we're Punjabi, we like that typical food.
North
like,
Indian food. But
rajma chawal, aloo ke parathe and all that.
Basically junk, like pizza, burgers, everything junk. But हमें घर का खाना भी पसंद है. But since you asked favorite, it has to be, not healthy.
Yeah.
What is your both favorite actor or actress?
I really like Alia Bhatt as a performer. I think she's amazing. Tabu is great.
I think for actor, I like Ranbir Kapoor a lot. He's very nice. Ayushmann Khurrana, Rajkumar Rao. Yeah. Your favorite color? Black. Definitely black. Your best moments in your life?
So, मुझे ना कब से मन करता था to go to the mountains, and last year when we went to the mountains, I think it was the best moments of my life. We actually went to Kasauli और हमने वहाँ पे vlog भी किया था. So Kasauli is a small place in Himachal Pradesh जहाँ पे हम गए थे, and it was our first time experience going to the mountains. So we felt so good, and I was like so satisfied. My heart was so like, oh my god. And yeah, I think one of the best moments of my
Yeah, I
life.
think same for me as well. I think ट्रैवलिंग में ही कभी कभार ऐसे आपको मोमेंट्स मिल जाते हैं विच यू रिमेंबर फॉर लाइफ.
Yeah.
So yeah, those moments were very very special. Moving on, Shruti, how do you handle both studies and YouTube?
We get this question a lot, honestly. But honestly, uploading one video a week is not a big task unless you have an idea. You know, bringing up the idea becomes a little difficult sometimes. But shooting and editing it is not a. Obviously, it is a task, but इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं है. तो एक वीडियो डाल सकते हैं, बट फॉर 30 days 30 videos it is difficult. And honestly we plan so much, like we have diaries just like cut.
And yeah, इसको प्लान करने में हमें कम से कम 20-25 दिन चले गए. And the ideas, I think the key is to organize and
Yeah.
just schedule कि ये होना and just stick to the schedule. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हम ही schedule पे stick नहीं करते, but then we have backups. एंड यूजुअली वो बैकअप ही काम आते हैं हमें, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि चल सुबह उठ के ये शूट करेंगे, बट हम सुबह नहीं उठ पाते. दैट इज समथिंग दैट हैपेंस अ लॉट विद अस, बट आई थिंक हैविंग अ बैकअप एंड planning a lot and sticking up to that plan is the basic thing in me.
Yeah.
Puneet, how to make a short film, share a few hacks or tips.
Hi Puneet. So honestly, I don't think firstly we are at that position to really share hacks/tips on how to make a short film. But to answer your question, from what we have learned is just making use of the limited resources that you have and writing a script with that limited resources. You know, molding your script according to the resources that you have. I think that really helps.
Then I think it becomes natural. Otherwise बहुत ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्ती की बनाई हुई लगती है. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
वैष्णवी,
हवा चल रही है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. Vaishnavi asks, okay, your challenge is to video call me and some of your fans.
That is so cute. I think we should video call you right now.
Yeah, I think we should do it.
Shall we?
We shall. I don't think.
I hope you pick up.
Yeah. Hi. Oh my God, you picked up.
How are you?
You wrote it as a challenge, and अभी हम shoot ही कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So we are going to put this in the video.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're so cute.
Thank you. You guys too.
Thank you.
Your videos are awesome.
Thank you so much. It just means so much to us. Oh God,
That
it was
was
so
so
much
cute.
fun. She picked up and she was like, बहुत मजा आया. Okay.
And
You're so cute, Vaishnavi. And thank you so much for supporting us.
okay, last question. Aparna. Guys, you're amazing and I love you both. What's your guilty pleasure? Please say my name, Aparna.
Hi Aparna, you're so sweet. Thank you so much for the question. Love you too. So my guilty pleasure is just doing nothing and just chilling on my bed and having good food.
Yeah, same thing. I mean, my guilty pleasure has to be binge watching shows. By binge watch, I mean completely binge watch, like straight up 13-14 hours.
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
Okay guys, it was
that's
so
it.
much fun. We answered all the questions that we had shortlisted. If you have any more questions for us to answer, you can just put it down in the comments. We'll be more than happy to do so. And this was such a wholesome Q&A. You know, the questions were so amazing and different.
And,
hope you guys like this video.
Thank you so much for all the love we have been getting on our videos, and we'll see you tomorrow again.
Yeah.
And
yeah. Bye.